Hello again, students. By now you should be familiar with the directions for this vocabulary activity. Your notebooks should be organized and labeled with this week's 7 words. After listening to my explanations and examples, be ready to make your selection. Put first things first and remember to cut and glue quickly and quietly. Practice reading the words and thinking about the photographs and definitions as you cut and glue. You are accountable for learning these 7 words this week. Here we go. The first word is shrill. Shrill means to make a loud, sharp, piercing sound, like this referee blowing his whistle, or this eastern whipbird chirping in the forest. Look at your 2 choices. Choose one that represents the word shrill to you. Is it the boy covering his ears, or the tea kettle ready to be taken off the stove? Make your choice and glue it in your composition books now. Pause the iPad while you do this. Work quickly and quietly. The second word is exception. Exception means someone or something that is different from others, or that someone or something is not included. It could also mean a case where a rule does not apply. The league has made an exception and allowed the girl to play football. All the birds are facing the same direction with the exception of one. Look at your choices. Choose one that represents the word exception to you. Is it the fruit or the ducklings? Pause the iPad while you cut out and glue your choice now. The third word is theory. Theory is an idea or a set of ideas that is intended to explain facts or events. It could be an idea that is suggested or presented as possibly true, but it is not yet known or proven to be true. Albert Einstein is famous for his theory of relativity, whereas Darwin is famous for his theory of natural selection. Look at your 2 choices. Choose one that represents the word theory to you. Is it the Big Bang Theory, explaining the creation of the universe? Or Vygotsky's theory of child development, showing when children learn best? Make your choice and glue it down now. Pause the iPad while you work quickly and quietly. Our fourth word is assorted. Assorted means including several kinds. You can always find assorted seashells as you walk along the beach. Did you know that licorice comes in assorted colors and flavors? Look at your 2 choices. Choose one that represents assorted to you. Is it the assorted cheese and crackers? Or is it the assorted marbles in a jar? Make your choice and glue it down now. Our next word is priceless. Priceless means to be extremely valuable or important. It can also mean very funny. The photograph of the baby's face was priceless. This antique car is considered to be priceless. Look at your 2 choices. Which photograph represents priceless to you? Is it the priceless stamp or the antique cash register. Make your choice for priceless. Cut and glue it down now. Our sixth word is anxious. Anxious means to be afraid or nervous, especially about what may happen next. In this dentist's office, the environment has been carefully decorated to make children feel less anxious while in the dentist chair. Many students may have a feeling of anxiousness when they compete in a spelling bee. Look at your choices. Choose one that represents anxious to you. Cut it out and glue it down now in your composition books. Work quickly and quietly. We're almost finished. Our last word is fragile. Fragile means something that can be easily broken or damaged, something that needs to be handled very delicately or that is not strong. A wedding cake is fragile and should be handled carefully, as are light bulbs. Both must be handled in a gentle or delicate manner. Look at your choices. Choose one that represents fragile to you. Is it the delicate butterfly or the fragile egg? Choose one, cut and glue it down now in your notebooks. Since this is our last word, be conscientious and get this rotation ready for the next group.